Good morning, good morning. Wow, for someone that's been in Australia for a week, I look very pale. I think it's because my tan has just been fake the whole week. Lol. So, from Australia to Miami today, I feel so peculiar because the jet lag is real right now. But yeah, I'm excited for this next adventure. Welcome to vlog week 4. First leg of the journey. I mean, it's not quite a private jet, but it is insane. Honestly, it's so grateful. Hey, Miami. Oh my goodness me, 28 hours later, that's 28 hours of traveling. Finally in the Mondrian Hotel in Miami, and I'm about to go into my hotel room. Oh, that lighting though, it's not the one. And I just want to show you guys my hotel room and experience it together for the first time. All my bags have kind of been brought to the room already. I love a new hotel room. Whoa. Oh. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Wow. Guys, this has made my 28 hours of traveling so worth it. I haven't even told you who I'm here with or what the purpose of this trip is yet, and I'm so excited to let you know that I'm here with a brand called IGK in association with another brand. Well, it's more of a shop called Space NK. It's a shop that sells all sorts of incredible beauty products, from hair products to facial creams to perfumes. It's just like, it's called Space NK Apothecary. I think I said that wrong. Can we just take a moment to appreciate this gorgeous fluffy robe? It's like so lovely, and the fact that I have pillows with my actual name on. That is goals, isn't it? That is goals. I love my Space NK family, and I'm so looking forward to meeting everyone from IGK. Oh, we have the goodies over here. Yes. So we have some coconut oil gel, hydrating hair balm. How sassy is all this packaging as well? I'm just loving the vibes of this brand, seriously. We've got volumizing texture spray, styling primer, love that. Flexible hairspray, laid back hairspray. This is defrizzing, love it. Love it. And then a hairbrush and a comb. I had a feeling they'd have some more products in here. Look at this shower. I just love the Mondrian hotels. So in the shower, oh wow, it's literally got a mirror in the shower. Hot stuff. Oh, a high shine top coat. Sorry, I'm not holding it very well. This is just the cutest place ever. I could live here. I actually just met one of the beautiful girls from IGK, and her hair was gorgeous, and my hair looks like straw right now. I need to give it a wash. But hey, how amazing. I'm here with a hair care brand, so it's going to be good for my scarecrow locks. I've just seen the view from my... I'm actually getting emotional because I actually feel like a little bit delirious, and I am such a sucker for views. This is just, oh, it's just made all the traveling so worth it. Guys, you have to see this. It's just breathtaking. Oh my word, I'm so grateful. Wow. I've got the view of the city. Look at the pool down there, it's gorgeous. This is just, wow, I'm blown away. Very tired, but very like overwhelmed. I'm gonna just settle in, and on this note, I'm gonna leave it for the evening. Good night. Top of the morning to you. Let's take away from this hideous sight with this beautiful view. Oh, wow. I'm hoping the sun comes out a little bit more because it is a little bit cloudy. Oh, I think it's even raining, you know. I'm hungry though, and I do need to go and get my nails done. I'm here on my own today. I'm just going to do my nails. I'm here a little bit early. I'm gonna have a little explore and chill out and get some things done, and then tomorrow is when the itinerary gets exciting. So yeah, let's go and get our nails done now. Wow, I'm so American right now with my Starbucks. What I love about Miami is just like the palm trees, the vibes. Oh, it just makes me so happy. And the sun's coming out, which makes me even happier. What colour do I go for? Oh, maybe a sparkly one. 2 hours and $200 later, yes, $200, I have new nails. How pretty are they? I'm obsessed with them, honestly. And I got gold glitter on my toes, and I got a foot massage, a hand massage, and a back massage, and she was so firm and amazing that it got rid of my jaw click, probably temporarily until I grind my teeth again. But I was shocked. I was like, hold on, all this tension's gone. And because I've been traveling for so long, that was exactly what I needed. So feeling refreshed, loving the colour of my nails. Guys, I'm in an American drugstore. CVS Cosmetics department. There's so many brands that I've never seen and I've heard so much about. I've just found Physicians Formula, and apparently the butter bronzer is the one to get. So I'm gonna try this, and I might do a little tutorial because I'm filling up my basket with like loads of goodies. So we have like the butter bronzer. So many YouTubers have said good things about this stuff. We've got some highlighters. This is all Physicians Formula at the moment. Now let's try some CoverGirl, shall we? Milani. See, these are all brands that I'll never buy online because like when they're drugstore brands, of course, like in the UK, I'm not going to go online and really have much access to buying these brands. Some concealers. Believe it or not, I've also never tried LA Girl. So I'm about to fill up my basket with some of this stuff too. Right, I'll tell you what, I'm going to fill my basket up and then stay tuned for the YouTube haul video slash full face of makeup using American drugstore products. She's so adorable, can't deal with her. She sits with her little frog's legs. Your little face is so cute, Ellie. Oh. Right, how much was that? $533 later. Whoa. Just got back from CVS and look what I'm welcomed home to. Wow. If Buzzy was here, it would be perfect. We could sit on this little table together, have a little glass of wine or a beer. Isn't this just incredible? Morning, guys. Okay, so after I went to CVS and spent $500, I came back to my hotel room and cried. No, I'm joking. I came back and just crashed out and chilled for a bit. I did meet the girls for dinner, but the actual itinerary starts today. So I'm gonna have breakfast served to my room at 9 AM. It's now 8:30. And yeah, we've got a full day planned. And oh, it looks so beautiful outside. Blue skies, yes. Breakfast is served. I've gone for vegan French toast. So I'm ready, I've got my sunnies on, and yeah, I'm gonna go down now, meet the girls, and off to the hairdressers.
Call it off,
Got Lily here.
let it go. All for nothing. I should have known.
You are exactly
I
where
made mistakes.
So please take note, this is my hair before. Just had my hair washed. Step 1 complete.
24-hour frizz control.
Oh, amazing. 24-hour frizz control, and that's called Thirsty Girl. Love it.
Amazing detangler.
Oh, amazing detangler apparently. Okay guys, so this is the final result. And I am in love. It's like, I've even got glitter. Can you see that? My hair is the glitteriest and shiniest it's ever been. And Leo is incredible, honestly. And the IGK product, oh, they smell so good. So now I'm going to get a little after picture done, and I think I need to take some pictures with my new slaying hair.
Where we belong. Time will tell us where we went.
What a spread, girl. Look at the knives and forks. Bit of Adventures of a Girl Boss, that is, isn't it?
On the young, on the young.
Quick outfit change. Vegan vibes. It says vegan vibes because IGK is all vegan, gluten, cruelty free, which is always a plus. So bougie.
Set it
Sparkly, I
on.
love it.
Time
This is
to
just so
go.
cool. So many photo
Engines
opportunities.
running.
Wow,
We're
excerpts
on
from
our
the Taj
own.
Mahal. Mahal? I said that really weird.
Running on.
So that was so much fun, just having a look around at the beautiful walls. The lunch was amazing, and now I'm just chilling by the pool. 3 babes on a bed, and the little one said. But Lily and Sue's here, we're just like admiring this view. How nice is this? So beautiful. So guys, that was a lovely afternoon sitting by the pool, and now we're all ready for dinner. We're going up, I think it's a Japanese restaurant. So cute. Cheers, Christopher. Cheers, my love.
You see what do you think about the smell?
Perfection.
Oh, that smells so good. What
That's
scent
the
is that? That smells amazing.
First class. Coming
First class,
soon.
baby. Guys, dinner was really good. I got dry shampoo. I think it smells like Lynx Africa. What do you think, Kate?
Yeah, I mean, I feel it. I like it.
I need to actually let her smell Lynx
No,
Africa.
tell your story about your Lynx Africa, how you used to wear it.
Oh. So I used to wear Lynx Africa when I was younger because I thought it'd make the boys fancy me. We're all in Space. I got on Miami. I've got Erica here, the beautiful ambassador for IGK, and honestly, it's been such an honour being part of this trip. We're gonna have so much fun for the rest of the week as well, aren't we? And look at this view. Wow. All the lights are amazing. I've never seen so many lights in my life. It's like the most incredible view that you can imagine. Morning! Defo feeling a little bit hangy today. Yeah, it was such a nice evening last night. Absolutely loved it. And today, so I'm about to go down for a facial. And then, so what is it, like 9 AM right now. And then we are gonna have breakfast, and then we're going on a yacht today. So I'm really excited, that should be lovely. So we've just arrived to get our facials done. How cute! Oh, I love it. Oh, I need some orange juice for sure. Guys, that facial was insane. My skin doesn't even feel like my skin. How weird is that? But now we're about to go onto a boat and explore Miami from the boat. These glasses are from Skinny Dip, same as these earrings. And how cool is this swimsuit? I got it in Miami last year, not too extra. Here's our yacht. Going past our island. Who's this? Care to share?
Oh, I met like my future husband in the elevator.
Shut up, did you?
Yes.
No way, right. If you actually get married and like have kids,
I'm moving to Miami.
I'm coming to the wedding. How gorgeous is this, guys? Apparently there's some dolphins swimming somewhere. Where did he say they were swimming? 1 o'clock. Oh, look! Put my dressing gown on because it's so cozy. It says IGK as well. I mean, I'm not sure if this is like yacht attire. But I'm living my best life right now, guys. How cute! We have a beautiful table of IGK goodies and a blanket of fairy lights above us, which is just so to die for, darling. This lamb is literally sizzling, actually cooking on the plate still. Days ago. I think I've ordered what Suze has got, which is the sea bass. Asparagus! 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Good evening, guys. Oh, it was so fun today. That boat trip was so amazing. That restaurant was so beautiful as well. But yeah, tonight we're going out. So I'm excited about that. I'm wearing a few key essentials recently that I've been like living in are these Miami lashes by Lily Lashes, and then this lip is Incognito by Buxom, and then this highlighter is a mixture of Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife with Gilded Honey by Laura Geller. And it's just a win really. It makes me look so glowy. I've got Fenty Beauty on my chest. But guys, I'm not going to take my camera out tonight because obviously we're going out dancing and it's going to be loud and it's going to be difficult to get my camera in, etc. So I'm going to just leave the vlog here. Actually, I might bring you up to get ready with the girls because I'm going to get my hair done. Guys, I've got my hair done. I love it. I'm actually in love with the way that all the hairstylists have done my hair this trip. It's actually like a revolution because I never normally like it when people style my hair, honestly. Yeah, but it's sick. I love it. So we have Lily Babes here. That's your new name, Lily Babes. I think you should like, yeah. And then we have the amazing stylist. Seriously, girls, I wish you were coming out with us. You two are like beautiful. We have a Christopher here. We have the beautiful Kate. And then we have this weirdo on the wall here. We're about to get turned up. Guys, I'm not alive. I report I am not alive. We're about to go home. So sad. Meet my soul sister Missy. Hi. This is Missy. She's like, we are definitely like
The same person.
yeah, like sister from another mister.
I'm going to miss her so much.
You're so tan. Why am I like as pale as a ghost? Anyway, it's been amazing, Missy. We've bonded truly, and we had the best night last night.
I know. It's so
We're all on the plane, just chilling, living the life. Look at you guys, you look so cozy. So sad that it's come to an end, but I'm looking forward to seeing my little flat-faced cats and Buzzy. Finally home, guys. After 10 days of being away, so pleased to be home because I can just get back into my routine, just like
Put friends back on.
put friends back on, open all my presents. So many presents. Have Buzzy make me dinner again. You did miss me, didn't you? Oh, I missed you. I missed you so much.
You're no longer the favourite. I'm the favourite now.
No, love me. Miami was incredible though. I'm so grateful for the experience and for meeting new friends. But yeah, I've got my best friends coming round tonight. They're gonna cook me dinner. How sweet is that? I literally have the best friends in the whole entire universe. My personal chefs have arrived. Oh, yeah. I miss them. We're reunited. They're gonna cook me dinner. No, we're gonna cook dinner together and yeah, drink wine whilst doing it. The party doesn't stop even when you get back from Miami.
Well, she panicked then. Close it. Read it.
Friend A.
Best friendosaurus.
Look at my present.
Yep.
Best friendosaurus.
I was like, where's my extra bit? I didn't get that. And then look.
We're the three turtles.
FYI.
FYI, why is it so zoomed up? Morning guys, so it's Sunday and I've just been chilling most of the weekend, catching up on work and just seeing friends and getting some sleep really because I've been so jet lagged, but I'm looking forward to this week. I've got loads of tutorials coming this week as well on YouTube and Instagram and can't believe it, but I'm nearly at 1 million followers on Instagram. How crazy is that? So if you're not already, please come over and follow me on there. And if you enjoyed this week's vlog, please do give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you on vlog week 5. I can't believe how quickly these weeks are going, but vlog week 5, stay tuned because I'm heading off somewhere else. I can't believe this. I'm going to be at home a little bit this week. Then I'm going to New York. So if you want to know who I'm going to New York with and what we're going to be doing there, then please stay tuned for the next one. But I'll see you soon guys. I love you lots. Mwah. Bye.